Hey guys, what's up? Here's how to make me on Dress to Impress. So first, how to make my face, you're gonna need these eyes, these eyebrows, these lips, this, whatever it's called, contour or something. These things, whatever they're called, turn them black. This heart, turn it black. This nose. Then this blush. Then these two nose piercings. That's how you make that. And my face. And then we, to make me, like my clothes, we are going to have to get, where is it? So first we're going to have to get the denim bag, which you sadly need Robux for. Sorry, guys. Then secondly, you're going to have to get the iconic Fatma code and then do it share only. Keep it the colour it is. No, not them. Sorry, I accidentally pressed on them. Then you're going to obviously need those baggy pants, like for every single one as me. Turn it into pockets, turn black, because I just love those pants. Then you need the, not them, nope, not me misclicking. Those gloves with the fur, then turn it to the fishnets. Then gotta get those shoes. Turn the second and third preview black and keep the first preview white. And then we are going to have to, for the hair, we're going to have to add blonde hair. These two hairstyles from the masculine, turn it the first and second blonde. Same with this hair, which is in the feminine and masculine. And yeah, that's how you make me in Dress to Impress. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.